Well, it happened. I just lost my FPV drone. Fuck, it just fell in the ocean. Serves me right for flying it here. It just literally fell out the sky. Fuck. So I look back over the footage and like all of a sudden the drone just absolutely flips upside down whilst I'm flying in manual. The only thing I can think is that one of the propellers got damaged and snapped and the thing fell out the sky. I just don't know how deep it is because I would like to try and find it if possible. I think I know the area in which it came down, so maybe I can hire a boat, try and find it. Fuck, man. I got some amazing footage as well. Well, it was gonna happen sooner or later. At least it came down over water. So it has come to my last day in the region of Krabi and specifically Railay Beach, and what an incredible place this is. Slightly tainted with a bit of negativity as my drone still unfortunately lies at the bottom of the ocean with a memory card full of incredible shots from this landscape. Fortunately, a few days prior I did manage to capture some good shots. It was just a bit cloudy and overcast. As soon as you get showered, you're like instantly sweaty again because it is so humid. I think the humidity is at like 89% or something like that. It's impossible to wear a clean shirt and keep it dry for more than 5 minutes. Let's say goodbye to my friends. Dude, you're leaving now. And that's one of the things about coming places like this. It's awesome because you get to meet people, but unfortunately also you have to say goodbye to them as well at some point.
I'm on a vlog! Hi!
Yes.
Animal.
Yeah, animal. 100 baht. So I'm kind of cheating. I'm flying back to Bangkok from Krabi, which is about an hour flight, but it saves like about 15 hours of travel via train or bus, and the flights are pretty cheap as well. So we're gonna be in Bangkok in about 3 hours. Right, so I made it to Bangkok. Turns out the region that we're staying at is called Khosan Road, which is the main backpacker district here, and I'm with my friend Owen. Hello, hello, hello. From Wales. He convinced me to come and join him for maybe a couple of beers, and we might have had a couple already. And we're gonna check out this road.
We're going now onto the next street. This is where all the partying happens. And there's like a clash. Everything is so loud. You can feel the opposing music in your chest. It's like pretty crazy.
Wow, well, that was the experience. I think my eardrums are pretty much shot. I can barely hear anything. There's a lot of nitrous and a lot of different drugs being consumed. Not really my scene, but it's literally a Monday and it was going off tonight. But this is for sure a place where they hustle like crazy to get you into their bars. Very interesting.
Not for me. It's 12:15 and I am going to bed. Well, that was an exciting night. I made the mistake of having one of those rice wine drinks as well as the 2 beers, and it honestly put me out, as I'm sure you could tell. But here we are on the same street that we were on last night, and it looks completely different. So the mission today is to do what we kind of came here for, I came here for, which is to get a new FPV drone. Honestly, I've been a bit down and out since I crashed that thing, and this time we're going full professional mode. We're in drone paradise in Thailand. This is amazing. I'm so glad I bought my drone from these guys. Wow, it's much bigger operation than I thought. And this is what it looks like. Wow, this is amazing.
Really, really beautiful.
It is beautiful. Maybe you can help me to learn a little bit about it. Because right now I don't know anything about it.
You don't know.
Okay, alright. Facebook, this one's been... So we're getting a demonstration from the pros here. Wow, look at the skill. Oh! There it is, over there.
บินได้หน่อย
Ui. Can you go through the leg?
เลี้ยวขวาไปก่อน
Here we go.
ขวาเปิดระวังนะ
So I'm back in my little hostel capsule bed thing, and the gravity of what I've just done here by purchasing this insanely technical and complex beast of an FPV drone is really starting to kick in. I mean, just look at all this stuff here. You've got batteries that need managing the power. You have like voltage testers, battery controller that controls that you plug all the batteries into, the charger, which is this. Fuck. I even had to buy a fireproof bag to keep the batteries in, just to make sure if I take them on an airplane they're not gonna explode. There's just so much to do. Oh, and you need to also configure the software and all of the propellers and all of this stuff. I'm starting to think maybe I should have just got a DJI avata with these self-contained batteries that come with it, since I already have 2. But hey, I took the plunge, and actually, ironically, I left my card in the ATM again after doing it in Bali as well. So now I have no way of getting cash out, which is also another problem. So not only have I paid an extortionate amount of money for a very complex piece of machinery that I don't know how to fly, I also have no way of making money or getting money. So yeah, a little bit stressful. It's been a fun day though. Now I need to do a bit more research by watching more YouTube videos.